Cusco. I miss you. 因为要去下一个 retreat， 所以那个 retreat 的要求是要有一个 COVID test。今天这边 hotel 可以帮我 book， 附近的一个 clinic 护士来帮我验，1个小时之后能出结果，然后email发给我。Gracias, thank you. Is it all finished? All done? Okay, let me open the door for you. Gracias. Bye. Ooh, that was quick. Okay, I'm all set for tomorrow. Woohoo! Tarapoto, here I come. Wow, I'm in the jungle now. Oh, shoot. I smell smoke. Can't believe I'm here. 刚刚坐车一路，坐车好像离市中心不是很远，大概15分钟左右吧。Whoa. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh 天哪，我好担心手机掉下去。You pass it on to me. Come here. Come here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everybody's here. Okay, guys. So you will get the flower out from here, and then you dry. You just shake off the plants from you. So we are kindly asking not to walk in every day, and so that's going to be until your last ceremony.
Is it cold?
It usually is.
Okay. Oh my god. This is our room. 这个是我的房间，这边有个厕所，然后2张床，然后这边还有一个小类似阳台一样的地方，然后我的房间就长这样。这整间屋子没有一个地方有插座，所以没有办法充电，然后也没有办法用吹风机，完全没有插头。这是个客厅，客厅也什么都没有，没有插头，完了，与世隔绝了。我还有一个自己的小阳台，怎么挂呢？吊床，哦，挂在那里 ，OK， 上来了，哇哦，好爽哦，好爽哦！I'm gonna take a nap. Bye. Oh, that is the vine. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so thick. This is an ayahuasca vine.
Okay, to be honest, this is what it looked like.
Ayahuasca tree.
The worst night that I threw up, where it felt like something was crawling on me. It's like those vines, like that's what it looked like.
Is something that looks like this?
Yeah, like the inside.
Wow. Okay.
Because you can kind of see it has these like.
Oh, ridges. Yeah.
Bro, nice.
I know it's almost
Okay, goodbye, Soltara. I thoroughly enjoyed you. I will bring your teachings back to the real world now. Thank you for a beautiful stay.
Look this way. You're so cute. So cute. I want to film you. Oh, hello. What, you gonna go? Did you hear something? You can go. Up. Okay. Bye.
哇，我这食物订的有点多呀，这2天真的都没好好吃饭，我也懒得出门去找吃的。等一下有一个 tour，到酒店来接我，我就想说，那还是订吧。你们如果来秘鲁的话，一定要下载一个 APP 叫 Rappi，R-A-P-P-I， 然后网上有各种各样的 delivery service， 就像 Uber Eats 一样。然后今天就想说，我的晚饭应该是没有着落了，我就直接把我的晚饭也订了。麻婆豆腐，好像是一个鸡肉炒面，然后点了一个炒素菜。3周没有吃中餐，我太想了。我尝一口这个面。
Restorations by the mayor house. The other one, Columbus Theater. No, Columbus. Look at Lima, there's a lot of balconies. Here. Or your ID, and they appear what how many vaccinations.
So they're part of a medical center.
Aristocrats, they had parties in the park.
Oh, okay.
Now it's a department store.
Okay.
Architecture from the old century.
Wow.
Yeah, it's not black. The left side, the king from Hamburg in Germany. Why he's here? Because he was very bold. He gave money for building. Let's take some photos here.
Yeah.
Yeah, care a lot. This is World Heritage. Everything with World Heritage must be careful.
Okay, yeah.
Siempre hay un huevón que agarra así con un dato y si ni siquiera chequea que yo compro billete. So it's a cedarwood from Peru. Yeah, is the one that imitates the second one. There are 4 supports. Over there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Found the second one. Maybe in the beginning front. we are in the curve, in the coil. Here is a cedar wood came from Central America, and in the middle I'm representing Franciscans from the 3 orders that I'm going to explain you in other rows. Okay?
Oh, and they're all different.
Yeah, there are women too, as you see.
Oh.
Yeah? Las Clarisas. This is the fastest store. The furniture that are going to will put the books here in the middle.
Oh. Ooh.
Used to be 2, now it's only 1. JHS, Jesus Savior of Humanity. It means. That's all the symbols from this order. The main one. This is very old.
Yes.
In the first level, you see books from the 15th to the 1900s. Okay? More or less, there are 25,000 books here in different topics: theology, history, mathematics, no?
Probably
philosophy.
lots of religion.
Yeah. Pergamins in different Romance languages too. Bibles also. Okay? Why we can see it. The name, nobody knows it. However, not only him, many people who was his relatives. That's why you see bones and scars. Christians, they were not assassinated. Other people by the Santa Inquisition. Now let's go. Be careful with your head. So the other one is here, in niches. They are going to be put.
Okay.
Yeah. Everything here is real. I am, and you are standing up in a crib. You too, everybody here. So they cover here in order to go to the other area. Okay? We are in down the church, in the heavy part, with this the main dome and the main altar. It's brick.
We go out?
Yeah, let's go this way. Brick and calicanto. It's not cement.
Oh, okay.
Calicanto, what is calicanto? Is a mix of sand, sand, egg white, cal, mineral, water, and little stone.
Okay.
Cardamom. Now the benefactors, people with money, for being buried here, arrive, and the body arrived by this place, around.
Okay.
Here it's closed because there is a church inside.
Okay.
So imagine my arm is a dead body, no?
Oh God. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We're going to do it faster, okay? Yeah. San Martin, our first liberator, ordered in 1820.
对不起，对不起，对不起，对不起，打扰了，打扰了，打扰了，打扰了，打扰了。Oh my God.
And then do people throw money for there for good luck?
Because people think that they are saints, but they are not.
Oh.
They are people from Lima in the colonial time. Spanish, Peruvians, and others from foreign.
哇，这阴气太重了。25,000 people were buried here. Oh my God. 打扰了，打扰了，打扰了。Goodbye. Rest in peace.
Salute, cheers!
This one here with the two balconies.